Damn, power line went down. Hey, we gotta get away from this shit, man. The power line on the ground right now. And it's on fire too. Damn. I think you should just drive forward and get up out of here. Man, that thing on fire, bro. Somebody might walk right by it too, man. Don't even know it. What is it, a little hurricane? What is this, a hurricane? What's going on? I'm recording it, yeah. This a hurricane or something? Yeah, what's going on? Hell no, this is crazy. That thing fell right from that. Look at that. Look at the birds going crazy, man. Damn. We didn't even get a chance. The weather just came in. I'm recording that fire over there. That's some sparks. Damn. Hey, we gotta get away from that. This thing might blow, shit. Yeah, bunch of them. He ain't driving. Yeah, he should get the hell out of here. Gotta get fucking around that shit, man. This bus gonna block everything right now. We go on the other side, bro. Block everything. Yeah. Yo, it's a power line right there. Exit. He said, oh. He said the exit. He said the exit. I ain't getting up. I ain't walking in that fucking rain. Yeah, let alone that goddamn power line. Shit falling out there. I ain't getting out of shit. You better drive it over there.
I gotta get off, man.
Still going that fire. Yeah, he passed right by it. Hey, that fire getting closer. It's going down that line. It's gonna hit that grass and it's gonna hit the tree. Damn. That fire getting closer to the grass and trees, man. Damn. Wow, look at that. This happening in Hollywood by Young Circle. Damn. Somebody might pass right by that shit, man.
Man, let me off the phone. I'm going the other way. I take my chance. I didn't know. I take my chance.
Hey, listen, hey. Chief. Yo, Chief. If you step out there, yeah, but listen what I'm saying, man. If you ain't listening, you gotta listen. If you step out there, you got a chance of getting shot, electrocuted. They got water on the ground. You gotta be careful. That's very dangerous, you know what I'm saying? You gonna step out somewhere else, you know what I mean? Yeah, rest like that. Yeah, that shit is sparkling. I'm recording this game, that thing going crazy. Hopefully everybody in the houses over there, it's okay. Stay okay. Oh shit, we going to the damn thing. Well, we going to the damn thing. Shit. Get a close up of it. That's it. Damn. We drove faster. That's a